Welcome to the video guys, hope you are fine. Guys, as you are watching very yummy tasty macaroni recipe with chicken. If you are interested in order to make this recipe for your kids or for yourself, then watch this video up to the end. Let's start. Ingredients. Guys, the first thing, obviously main thing, macaroni. 1 packet 400 grams. You can buy it from market. Okay guys, after that boil this macaroni by adding 1 tablespoon of salt into it. After boiling, filter. As you are watching in this video, this macaroni is filtered. Okay guys, already cooked. Next ingredients are some vegetables, and the first one is onions. Guys, 2 medium size onions are enough, cut into small pieces as you are watching. The next is carrots. 2 long carrots are enough, cut into small pieces. Similarly, third thing is bell pepper. 2 bell pepper guys, enough, cut into small pieces as you are watching. And the fourth one are tomatoes. 2 tomato guys are enough, cut into small pieces as well. The second main ingredient of this remedy, that is chicken. Guys, 250 gram chicken is enough. Make your chicken boneless. As you're watching, cut into small pieces. 250 gram enough. You also need guys garlic paste 1 tablespoon and ginger paste 1 tablespoon as well. The last ingredient of this remedy is tomato ketchup. Half bowl or half cup enough. Now let's move to stove. Take 1 cup of oil into your saucepan or any pot you have. Lit on stove. Add garlic and ginger paste at first and cook garlic and ginger paste until got brown. Now add your boneless chicken into it. Cook properly guys. Chicken into garlic and ginger paste and oil. Then add pieces of onions. Pieces of onion, mix and cook. Now add all the other ingredients except tomato ketchup. Mix and cook all ingredients properly. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder guys. Similarly 2 teaspoons of red pepper and 1 spoon of salt. Now guys, mix and keep lid on it. Now guys, cook 5 to 10 minutes. Now add macaroni and mix. Mix well guys. And add tomato ketchup. Again mix. And then guys, put on lid again and steep it for 2 to 3 minutes. Stove should be off guys. Stove should be off. Finally guys, macaroni dish is ready. Eat, enjoy and comment if you have any question concerning the video. I hope you like the video guys. Please subscribe my channel, hit nearby bell icon and choose all options so that you can get the latest upcoming videos notifications. See you in next video guys. Until then, bye bye.